Hey you guys, it's Shelly. This is my quick review of the 3-burner forge from Vevor, the company Vevor, spelt V-E-V-O-R. I was asked to receive this from them for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review, and I was super excited to get it because my dad and my son love to work on things like this, whether they're making a knife or they've even done bracelets, screws, whatever you name it, they can do it. We do have our setting on a welding table just because it was very secure and more safe to set it on here with the gas on the bottom. This thing is black powder coated steel. It does have the handles for the openings right there. The handles are far apart from the actual unit, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. It does have 3 adjustable valves, so you don't have to use each one all the time. You can adjust them and use which one you need. It also has threaded connections for the propane hose. They're not clamped, so that helps with any kind of gas leaks. And we cannot wait to use this more and make more things with it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. My son has already tried it out and he loved it. So I would definitely give this a thumbs up. I think we're going to be very happy with it. So if you're on the fence about getting it, I would definitely run over to Amazon and purchase this from Vevor today.